Time is money when you work the land. New Holland Farm Equipment is built to help you get the job done. At Seeding Time, you can rely on our tough TJ tractors with more horsepower and greater fuel economy than any other tractor in its class. Our line of premium haying equipment is unmatched with superior balers and mowing conditioners. And at harvest time, you'll be putting grain in the bin and money in the bank with our dependable CR and CX series of combines. Make the most of your time and your money. See your local New Holland dealer today.